Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to redeem InboxDollars in 2025. If you're earning rewards through InboxDollars by watching videos, taking surveys, or completing offers, you know how exciting it is to cash out. But with updates for 2025, the process has gotten even smoother. Let's dive right in so you can start redeeming those hard-earned dollars. First things first, make sure you have an InboxDollars account set up. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll see your current balance. For 2025, InboxDollars has a new minimum redemption threshold of just $10, down from previous years, making it easier to cash out. Step 1. Click on the Redeem tab, usually found at the top of the page. You'll be prompted to select your preferred redemption method. Options include PayPal, gift cards from popular stores like Amazon or Walmart, or even direct bank transfers. Choose wisely based on what works best for you. PayPal is often the fastest. Step 2. Enter the required details. For PayPal, just link your account and specify the amount. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Then, hit Confirm to process your request. InboxDollars now uses enhanced security features in 2025. So you might need to verify your identity with a quick code sent to your email or phone. After submission, keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Redemptions typically process within 24 to 48 hours, but it can vary. One tip: always ensure your account is fully verified to speed things up and avoid delays. If you run into issues, like a pending status, check the help section or contact support. They're pretty responsive. And there you have it. Redeeming your InboxDollars in 2025 is straightforward and rewarding. If you've been putting this off, now's the time to turn those points into real cash. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.